Hi. Today we will be drawing a cactus. A very small cactus. First, we're going to draw the eyes. I am drawing them very small. And we're also going to do the points there, because cactuses are pointy. They're very pointy. Have you ever touched a cactus? My friend touched a cactus. No, she did not go to the hospital. You know why? Because she touched the soft part of it. Thought I was gonna trick you there. Bigger? Smaller. Then you're gonna shade the other part. Also the other one. Also the other one. This one. Done. That is great. What we're gonna draw is mouth. I was about to say cactuses have mouth, but we're doing, cartoon, not cartoon character. I mean a cartoon. Well, no cartoon. Sorry. Well, it's not especially a cartoon. It's like, I don't know. But sorry, I'm supposed to do it up a little bit more. Add to the side. Cute little. We're not going to do eyebrows. I don't know why. It does not have any feeling. Okay, it does. You already have a mouth here, so you can do eyebrows if you want. I'm just not doing eyebrows. Okay, what we're gonna do is do one curve. I know you're supposed to do a whole one. Just one curve. So then we're gonna do the same thing on this one. As big as you can. It looks like it's bald. Anyways, what we're gonna do here, I know you're gonna connect it, but we won't actually connect it. All we're gonna do is draw a little circle. Then we're gonna do that. Then that. Same thing on the other side. That. Then that. And we're going to draw two lines. Both looks like a bow, right? So cute. Now we're going to draw the spikes. So one here. Draw a line first. Like that. Then draw another line here. Going from up. You did that? Good job. Now we're doing spikes. So like that. That. Like that. It may not look like spikes, but It looks like cartoon spikes. That, see? Then, ooh, I forgot the hand. What we're gonna do is like, do the hand. Like it's cheering for something. Then we're gonna draw a line from there. Then a cute little love heart. Cute little love heart. That's a balloon. It's holding a little balloon. So funny. Then what we're gonna do here is gonna draw the straightest line you can ever do. Okay. Once you've done that, just a second, I did a really big mistake. It's supposed to be like that. Just like that, okay? Okay, good. Then we're gonna go a little bit out the side. And we're gonna draw 2 straight lines. And 1 big straight line. Then we're gonna do it diagonally, that. Then ending from here. Now we're gonna do coloring. Now we're done. And even if you tried this video, it's okay if you didn't get the same thing. Unless you tried, it's okay. But you try your best. It has been a wonderful time drawing with you guys. And please hit that notification bell to find more videos when I upload them. I did these little things with pencil because if I do this in marker, they're too, see, look at this, they're too thick. Then I'll get it all ruined. I was supposed to do some white reflection, but I didn't have a white pencil or marker. But you can do it if you want to. Bye!